Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Gnosis Safe signers and threshold rules step by step clearly. To begin, access your Gnosis Safe at the official website or through the app. Log into your existing account or create a new account if necessary. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Safe section on your dashboard. Click on Create a new safe to start the setup process. Enter a unique name for your safe to easily identify it later. Next, you will need to add the owners who will have signing authority. Input the Ethereum addresses of each owner. Ensure that you include the correct wallet addresses to avoid any access issues. After adding the owners, you will define the threshold for the number of signatures required to execute a transaction. Decide on a threshold that balances security and convenience. Typically, a threshold of 2 out of 3 or 3 out of 5 is common for multi-signature setups. Once you've set the threshold, review the details to ensure accuracy. If everything looks correct, click on the Confirm button to finalize the setup. You will then be prompted to fund your safe with Ethereum or other tokens. Follow the instructions to transfer the desired amount of assets to your new safe. After funding, check the multi-signature settings for accuracy and confirm that all owners can access the safe. Your Gnosis Safe is now set up with the designated signers and threshold rules. You're ready to start managing assets with enhanced security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.